How to prepare for dental school interviews. Hi, this is Dr. Yin from Elya Dental Irvine. Welcome to the Dental School Application Series. Today, we are going to interview one of our pre-dental students who has been accepted by 4 dental schools. She is going to share her interview experience. Let's take a look.
Hi, Elya.
Hi.
Once you received the interview invitation, how did you prepare them?
I started preparing after I received my first interviews. Each interview is a little bit different depending on the school. So once you receive an interview from a specific school, you should go online to Student Doctor Network and go on Facebook groups and see what type of interview they have, because some of my interviews was just one-on-one talking to a professor, and it was very relaxed conversation, not really getting asked questions. Other schools had a one-on-one with professor and then one-on-one with the student. Other schools it was MMI format, a lot of questions, different kind of procedure. So it's important to research what it will be like at the school so you're ready. And then at Student Doctor Network, for each school, they have past interview questions, and that was very useful. So people from the last 10 years, they post what questions they got for each school. It's especially helpful if, for me personally, I've never really had big interviews before. So I was very nervous going into it because I was just very stressed. I didn't know how I would do. If you're not sure how you'll communicate with the person interviewing you, the best thing you can do is just repetition, going through all the questions that was asked in the past, kind of preparing what you'll say beforehand. And then once you're actually in the situation, it'll be much easier for you to feel confident answering.
Do you think there's a lot of repeat questions from the past interview questions?
I had many that were very similar. And then usually they don't ask you that many if it's one-on-one, just communicating. The most common questions I had were why dentistry and why this school specifically, or what can you bring to this school? And then once you answer those, usually their next questions build off of what you just talked about. So you should be able to kind of describe everything that you said before and go deeper into it, maybe bring in new experiences.
Can you give us some example, how you answer those questions?
Why this school specifically? You should do a lot of research beforehand, going through their website, about things that make them unique than any other dental school, because each school will have something unique to them the other schools don't have, and something they're proud of. It could be their mission statement, it could be their clinic, it could be the way they teach, it could be their research. So you should really dive into all their website pages and see what they're proud of and what you would be really interested in contributing to. And then just connect it back to your own past experiences if you can. When a school was very research heavy, I would bring up the research I've done in the past and talk about how I want to continue doing that. If a school is really big on community involvement and service and outreach, I would bring up the volunteering I've done or my interest in doing some of the outreach they do. And the more specific you are about the organizations and clubs and groups they have, the better it is for you because they know you actually looked into them.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Next episode, we are going to talk about after interview, what can you do if you haven't heard from your dream school? See you next time.